This is Korhan from Apimaye Hive, and I will show you how to add latches to the bottom board of your existing Ergo 7-frame and 10-frame beehives that have the bottom board screwed and mounted to the brood box. The kit includes 2 latches, 2 grooves, and 16 rivets. You will need a drill with a 15/64 drill bit, a rivet gun, and a marker. And we'll show you how to do it. First, you're gonna get the groove piece and put it in the brood box. Mark the locations for the screws. We're gonna take the groove piece out and drill it. Make sure to not go through the other edge. The other side is safe and not drilled. And we put our groove piece back in there. Put the rivets in. If it is not lined up perfectly, it's fine. We just drill it. These are really large rivets, so we're gonna drill it to make sure that we have the hole at the right place. Now that the holes are in the right location, we're gonna rivet them back again. The remaining 2. Now this side is ready. Now we will be attaching the latch part. Now first make sure that the latch piece is actually about 45-degree angle. So we're gonna put this here, and then it will look like this. We will mark 2 locations, one top left and the bottom right. And we will drill those areas first. We will put our piece back in there, actually mount it using the first 2 screws. We put the rivets in the 2 places that we drilled, and now we're gonna mount it. And now we're gonna drill the other 2 holes. We put our last latch there, and now we're gonna be closing it. As you can see, it latches. If we keep it at 45 degrees when we install it, it's gonna have a decent amount of latching, like this action. If you would increase the angle more, so when installing it like this piece would actually be installed a little lower. It would be a harder latch, but it would be a little more secure. If you don't like the tension that you have here, if you think it is a little too loose, you can always bend this piece a little to actually make it shorter in the distance and make it more tight. Once the latches are installed on both sides, just flip the hive over and unscrew the 2 screws on each side for the 7-frame, and the 10-frame hive would also have 2 more screws on the top. This way you can easily remove the brood body from the bottom board. It would not be latched. This side we didn't do yet. This side is finished.